The countdown has begun. The clock is ticking toward a historic moment, the official opening of our newly acquired church building. This landmark occasion also marks the 10th anniversary of the founding of AFM in Canada, Hamilton Assembly. A decade of faith, a decade of growth, and a decade of impact. The celebration will draw distinguished guests from South Africa, the United Kingdom, and Zimbabwe, all joining us for this historic occasion. Several government officials have already confirmed their attendance, including the Member of Provincial Parliament for Ontario, Donna Skelly. The delegation from South Africa will be led by the AFM International President, Dr. Henry Jacobus Weidman.
Ladies and gentlemen, I feel this morning that the Lord is pulling someone from where they are. I feel that the Lord is giving someone a second chance. I know I had said I'll preach this message next week about a second chance, but I hear the Spirit telling me that it's now. The second chance is now. God is giving you a second chance.
The Hamilton and Greater Toronto area communities are cordially invited to be part of this unforgettable 3-day celebration beginning April 3, 2026. Join us as we open doors, celebrate a decade, and step boldly into the future.